We're looking at the SEO audit, a process that can help you get more organic website traffic, improved search engine ranking, and crucially, more conversions. Hi, my name is Judd. Welcome to Local Marketing Insights. Here at Locally, we consistently help local businesses just like yours optimize their websites for growth. Today, I'm going to walk you through 6 steps in the SEO auditing process. And to get the full picture, you want to stick around to the end because each step builds on the previous one. Why do an SEO audit? Well, there are several reasons. You might need to track your progress to make sure your efforts are paying off, or to adapt to changes in the search landscape, or to stay ahead of the competition. And while there's no hard and fast rule for how often you should do an audit, a good rule of thumb is to do at least one per quarter. If you make major changes to your site or SEO strategy, you may want to do an audit sooner. Here are 6 steps to get started with an SEO audit. Step 1, identify your goals. The first step in an SEO audit is to set some goals. Do you want to increase traffic, improve conversion rates, both? Once you know your goals, you can tailor your audit to focus on the areas that will have the biggest impact. For example, if the goal is to increase traffic, you want to look at your SEO and make sure your content is informative and readable. Or if you want to improve conversion rates, you should focus on things like usability and design. Knowing your goals from the outset is one of the best ways to ensure your audit is as effective as possible. Step 2, analyze your current rankings. If you don't have Google Analytics installed on your website, go do it right now. It's free, it's easy, and it provides invaluable insights into your web traffic, like where your visitors are coming from and the keywords they're using to find you. This information is crucial to an SEO audit because if you don't know what is or isn't working, how do you know what to change? If you're not happy with your current results, these analytics will give you guidance on where to experiment and try new things. And that's really the only way to find out what's going to work for you. And of course, you want to keep an eye on your analytics so you can fine-tune your approach. Step 3, check your title tags and meta descriptions. The title tag, that text that shows up in the search engine results when your website comes up, is one of the most important factors in search engine optimization. It needs to be accurate and descriptive so users know what they're going to find on your page. Another key factor is the meta description, which is the summary that appears under your title tag in search results. Like the title tag, it should be accurate and descriptive to encourage users to click through to your website. If you're finding this video helpful, do us a favor and hit the like button. It gives us a little warm fuzzy and it helps other people find the video. Step 4, review your on-page SEO. On-page optimization includes things like keyword usage, internal linking, and the structure of your website. These factors play a significant role in how well your pages rank in search results. So you need to look at them closely and make sure you're giving your pages the best chance of ranking well. And step 5 in the SEO audit process, evaluate your off-page SEO. While on-page SEO focuses on optimizing content and structure within your website, off-page SEO extends its reach beyond the boundaries of your site. It involves strategies such as link building, social media engagement, and brand mentions on external platforms. These efforts not only increase your website's visibility in search engine rankings, but also build credibility and authority in your niche. Off-page SEO helps search engines understand how other websites perceive and value your content, which can significantly impact your overall online reputation. And finally, step 6, monitor your progress. Once you've made changes to your SEO strategy, it's important to monitor your progress over time. Tracking traffic and keyword rankings using tools like Google Analytics will help you determine if your strategy is working. And by keeping an eye on those metrics, you'll be able to fine-tune your strategy and ensure that you're making the most of your time and effort. As a business owner, you already know how important SEO is. And performing regular SEO audits gives you the traffic and performance insights you need to create and implement a successful SEO strategy. If the process sounds a little overwhelming, check out our free website audit tool. You fill out a short form and you get a free SEO report. The link is in the description. Again, if this video has helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time on Local Marketing Insights.